Hello everyone, my name is Lekit Krishna. I am an intern in Intelify. Today we are going to study about converting percentage to how many ways, how can we convert percentage. The first example, you have to find 12.5% of 64. You are just converting the percentage to a whole number. So 12 and half is nothing but 0.5, because if we divide 1 by 2, it's nothing but 0.5. So we can write this 12 and half as 12.5. So 12.5% of 64. So 12.5% can be written as 12.5 divided by 100, because percentage is always calculated per 100. So 12 by 100 into 64, which is nothing but 8. So just we are converting the percentage to a whole number. So here the percentage is 12.5%. The whole number is nothing but 8, because that's the solution we got while solving this problem. The second question is, it's little similar to the first question. So you have to find 15% of 250. So 15% can be written as 15 divided by 100. So 15 divided by 100 into 250, it's nothing but 37.5. In this question there are three sub questions. So percentage is nothing but 1 divided by 100. So the first step is, here percentage implies 1 divided by 100, because 15% is 15 by 100. So 15 into 1 divided by 100 is nothing but 15 divided by 100. Don't be confused. So the answer will be, if we multiply 15 divided by 100 into 250, we get 37.5, which is the required solution. So the next question is 1% of 1 hour. So for 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So for 1 hour there are 60 minutes. 1 divided by 60, you get some percentage, or 1 divided by 100 into 60, which is nothing but 3 divided by 5 minutes. So if we convert minutes into seconds, we have to just multiply it again by 60. So 3 divided by 5 into 60 will be 36 seconds. Sorry. So 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes, and 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds. 1% of 1 hour means 1 divided by 100 into 60. So it's nothing but 3 by 5 minutes, or 3 divided by 5 minutes. So 3 divided by 5 into 60, because I'm just converting minutes into seconds. So 3 divided by 5 into 60 is equal to 36 seconds. The other question is, we have to find how many rupees. So 20% of 2500. So 20 divided by 100 into 2500. You can simplify this 20 divided by 100, or just go with the cancellation part, because there are zeros in numerator and denominator. So if you just cancel two zeros in the numerator, like 2500 divided by 100 is nothing but 25. So 25 into 20 is nothing but 500. So 25 twos are 50. So 25 20s are 500. The third question is, we have to find percentage, like the fraction part of the percentage, the decimal part, and even the simplest part. Though these are the ways we have to convert a percentage, we can convert a percentage. The three ways are: simplest one, to decimal, and to fraction. So the first question is 25%. Just we have to convert this into fraction, decimal, and simplest form. 25 by 100 can be written as 1 divided by 4, because in simplest form is 1 divided by 4, because 25 by 100, 25 ones are 25, 25 hundreds are 4, so 1 divided by 4. In decimal is 0.25 because 25 divided by 100 is nothing but 0.25. 150% of, we have to find the fraction, so 150 can be written as 150 divided by 100. So in decimal is 1 divided by 15 divided by 10, it's nothing but 1.5. And in simplest form is 3 by 2 because you just cancel the zeros on the numerator and denominator, which is nothing but 15 by 10. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So it's nothing but 3 divided by 2, which is the simplest form. And the decimal part is 1.5. The sub question 3 is 20%. 20% can be written as 20 divided by 100, which is nothing but 0.2. So in fraction is 20 divided by 100. In decimal is 0.2. In simplest form is 1 divided by 5. You just cancel the zeros there. So 20 will become 2 and 100 will become 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So 1 divided by 5. 5% of 100, which is nothing but 1 divided by 20. So like we can't cancel any zeros because numerator doesn't have any zero. So 5 ones are 5 20s are, so 5 2s are 10. If we add another 0 to the 2, we get 100. So 5 ones are 5 20s are 100. Simplest form will be 0. Decimal form will be 0.05 and the simplest form is 1 divided by 20. The fourth question. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one session. It won, the team won 25% of the, so like 25% of 20 matches. So how many matches did they play or did they won? So they have given that 20 matches. A team has been played 20 matches. In that only 25% has been won. So we have to find how many matches they have won. So 25% of 20 is the required answer part because 25% of the matches they have won. So total matches is 20. So 25% means 25% into 20. So 25% can be written as 20 divided by 100 into 20, which is nothing but 5. So totally out of 20 matches they have won 5. If you are good enough to calculate this, out of 20, 25% means 5 because out of 100, if out of 100 matches been played, 25 matches they have won. So out of 20, how many? So if it is 50%, out of 20 matches, it's 10 matches they have won. If it is 75%, it's 15 matches. And if it is 100%, it is 20 matches. If you're not familiar with it, you can do this way. The way I have told you, explained you now. So 25% of 20. So you can just convert the percentage into fractions and just multiply it by the given matches. That's 20. You get the required answer. Thank you.